Hey guys, it's Ali from Shahani Motors, and we are doing an engine on a newer, this is a 2018 1.5T, so the L15b7 I believe, Honda newer engines that they have. And I just wanted to give some tips and tricks to make it easier for people who are doing the engine on this. Now this is an automatic car, so if you want to come over here, Ryan. So our head technician Ryan here screwed me over because I was the one that was doing this car. And he told me that, so the harness, he said that the harness has to, it doesn't unplug from here because it's with the body harness, so we have to fold it back. But that wasn't the case. So if you guys come over here, you can disconnect the harness right here at the ECU. And there's a few connectors in this fuse box here that unplug. And then the whole harness, engine harness comes and transmission harness comes and folds over the top. Now, this is an automatic car, but we still chose to take the transmission out. The service manual says to drop the subframe, which we weren't trying to do. So if you want to come over here, Ryan, I can show you. So these are the connectors these are in the fuse box. This is the ECU connector. There's one more over here. Now, once you unplug these, you can literally fold the whole harness on top, and now you don't have to. So I had to go through and disconnect each and every one. Most cars, that's what you do, but it wasn't necessary. So you can do all this outside the car. It makes it a lot easier.